How to make estimated tax payments for dentists. How to pay. There are a couple of ways you can pay the IRS. You can either send them a check or you can pay it online. If you send a check, make sure you send it via certified mail. We, however, recommend our clients to pay online. This enables our clients to get a confirmation number and other details when they make the payment from the IRS website. So let me show you how. Open Google, then you can type in IRS Direct Pay. Okay. Hopefully you'll get this link at the top. Make sure this says irs.gov. There are a lot of scammers who are trying to get your information. Make sure that you confirm this is the IRS website. When you confirm it as the IRS website, click on that. And I would recommend you to confirm it one more time over here. Make sure it says irs.gov with a lock sign. Okay. If you scroll down, it says make a payment. After you click on the make a payment button, you arrive at this page. There are several reasons that you may need to make a payment. If you have a balance due for your tax return, if you want an extension, or you want to make an extension payment, that's when you will select extension. If you want to make estimated tax payment, which is what we are here for, so we're going to select this as of right now. But if you notice, there are several other reasons that you can make payments. Let's select estimated tax payment. It automatically selects what to pay for. As of right now, it's selecting 1040 ES, which is the estimated tax payment for your individual tax return. That's what we're selecting. It's already selected the year 2023 because that's the current year, so you can make estimated tax payments for the current year. You click on that and then you click on continue. It confirms your choices once more time and then you click on continue. Here you have to verify who you are. Okay, the easiest way to get through this is by having a prior year tax return handy. Okay, so we're going to select 2021. You can select your filing status per the prior year tax return that you have selected up there. You can provide your name, last name, confirm your name, social security number, so on and so forth, and click on this button. I'm going to fill this out with my information and click on the continue button. When you get to the next page, you can enter what amount you want to pay, the date you want to pay, your bank information, what type of account it is, and then your email address to get the confirmation. I've already entered the amounts and I'm going to enter the account number and the routing number and my email address. After you enter all that information, it gives you a disclosure authorization and you click on I agree. After clicking I agree, it brings you this page where you confirm and review what you have entered, and then you see, okay, hey, it's an estimated tax payment for 1040 2023, how much you're paying and what date you're paying it on. It also confirms your bank account information and your email information. After that, you put your name, your last name, social security number, click on I accept and submit. After it does that, you get a confirmation from the IRS if the payment goes through that you made a payment and you're done. So here is a sample confirmation from the IRS website. It tells you the amount you pay, the reason for payment, which is estimated tax payment, what type of a payment it is. It is for 1040 estimated, which is your individual tax return, and what year it was for. It also gives you your email address that you said the confirmation needed to send to. I would highly recommend to send the confirmation to your accountant. If you are an On-Time Books client, I would highly recommend to send it to us so that we have it for our records. We will reshare this video each quarter a week before the due dates. Follow our LinkedIn page or YouTube channel if you'd like to be reminded of these payments. If you found this video useful, click the like button and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. Comment below if you have any questions or call us. Thank you for watching.